Thanks to Chemaxon, I have the pleasure to introduce you to a new startup company called INEON Biotech. And the first software we are developing, which is a compound data and projects management software that integrates Chemaxon tools. So INEON has developed workflows to take you by the hands through all the steps of early drug discovery, from the compound reception and registration to lead optimization, going through all your library management, the screening campaign, and hit development. So the first, I'm going to present you the compound management. The compounds can be registered through a manual drawing with the Chemaxon tools, or by importing a SD file. And we have developed a very intuitive field mapping interface for the SD file. It is organized as sub-libraries that can be ranked by providers, by research results, by series, or by any criteria you want, actually. And you can perform multi-parametric research on structure, properties, and whatever is stored in the database. So this is the first screen that presents each compound. Here it is one compound, so you can see the structure and the physical-chemical properties. Here you've got the different libraries, and here you have a list with the results of your research that you can actually export to an SD file or to an Excel file. You've got also different tabs here that gives you infos about the labwares, the containers. You can also attach documents to each of the molecules, and it gives you also information about the different batches that you have in your laboratory. Then we have also developed workflows for the library management and for the different robotic jobs that you can do, which is reformatting, replicating the plates, diluting, or making a cherry picking. And so the workflows takes you by the hand and it generates work lists for your favorite robotic platforms. And the completion of the job is tracked through the robotic export that are imported in the database. For a screening campaign, it's more or less the same. You can easily import your results, your readouts, and then the software performs the calculation that you want. Then you can select the hits through a heat map, and then we've got a special interface for hits confirmation, which is this one that allows you hit ranking, multi-parametric search, and then you can rank them into series. Then we've got a second screen, which is for series optimization. And so this time you've got only one molecule with all the different results. So that's a multiple results management screener. And you can also perform multi-parametric search and include all your reporting. And of course, in each of the screens I have presented, you can always do research and have all the results of your research on different tabs here. Okay, so to summarize what I've just said, INEON is a software which is an all-in-one software for all the process. It is very intuitive. Actually, you can have it in hand probably in less than 1 hour. It's collaborative because you log in with profile with different authorization that allows you collaboration with all other labs, with CROs. It allows a strict tracking of your libraries and of your data. And we are happy to offer customization for any of our customers. The software comes in different flavor, whether on the cloud or on premise. We've got pricing for academics or for companies. Please feel free to contact us in case you're interested. And so that's the company. I'm the scientific advisor for the company. In the room is also Christophe here, who is the COO. We have just raised 1.5 million euros to develop this software. And now I'd like to thank you. And if you have a question, you can check with Christophe or myself later on. Thank you.